Join me today with this Porsche 911 seat. It's out one of the projects in the workshop that's just in for carpets and a headlining, and they'd like to retain the original seats, so we're going to give them a good clean up before they go back in the car. We're going to be using our interior cleaner on these seats, along with our brush and a microfiber cloth. Let's jump in. So this seat has been stored in a loft for 20 to 30 years, and as you can see, it's absolutely filthy. There's dirt ingrained everywhere. So we're going to do our best to bring this up, starting with the interior cleaner. We may need to go over it a couple of times, or we may need to look to use our spot cleaner, which is a more aggressive cleaner, to get rid of some of this really ingrained dirt. So we'll spray some of this down here onto the bolster, and then we'll take the brush and we'll just work this in. I'm just going to move over to the other side and leave that just to soak in for a bit, and then we'll give it another brush before we wipe it off. Okay, so we've gone around and given a good brush to all of the lower parts of this seat. I'm just going to go back round with another brush now it's had a little while to sit. Okay, so now we'll take our microfiber cloth and just wipe off that cleaner. Okay, so you can see on this cloth how much dirt's come off those seats. It's made a really good start. We'll probably go over this again and see if we can improve it further. So join us again in a little bit and see how we get on. We've used the interior cleaner, the brush and the microfiber to clean these seats up before they go back into the car. Before they do that, we'll clean up the seat centres. Again, we can use the interior cleaner for that and just give them a brush and a wipe down. And then we'll give it a coat of our satin dressing just to finish them off nicely, ready for the customer to enjoy. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed. If you want any more information on the products, they're on the website. And if you've got any questions, drop them below and we'll get back to you. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a like, think about subscribing. Thank you.